Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I will be doing another shower routine. But before I get into that, I want to say thank you very much to all of you, my subscribers. I am at 399 subscribers and I thank you all so much. You don't know how much this means to me for you all to subscribe to my channel, engaging with me on a daily basis when I post videos, sharing my videos and commenting. I really appreciate all of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Without God, this wouldn't be possible. So I thank you all. My name is Danae. If this is your first time seeing my face, I post videos on fashion, food, beauty, and lifestyle. If that's something you're all interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss another post when I put videos up. Today's video is about my shower routine. So I'm just showing you some affordable products that you can use to smell good all day. And yeah, just basically it's mostly hygiene, shower products, things to make you smell nice, make your skin soft. And most of these I got from Sephora for my creams, my body creams. And my shower body wash I got from Walmart. My feminine wash I got from Walmart. And they're very affordable. And it's great to have in your household. So make sure you all get some of those. And for my creams, they're a must-have for summer. It make your skin so smooth and it smell really nice. Whether you're going out on a date, you're staying in your house, you're going out for brunch, it doesn't matter. So guys, with further ado, let's get right into this video. And make sure you all give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe, share my videos, and comment on what products you would want to see me try. It doesn't matter. I love you all. See you in my next video. So make sure you watch the entire video. Thank you all for watching this video today. I'll see you all in my next video.